सबसे पहले मैं पहली बार जिनका दर्शन हुआ श्रद्धेय गुरु जी को प्रणाम करता हूँ। सर, आपका दर्शन एक बार और हुआ था, मैं बाहर नहीं था, आप वहाँ थे, मैंने आपका दर्शन किया था। और हमारे आदरणीय अरविंद जी, जैसा कि इन्होंने कहा कि रावा प्रोग्राम, तो 2 प्रोग्राम मैंने आपका अटेंड किया था। आई एम थैंकफुल टू एवरीबडी and whosoever is present here at this time. Really, I feel proud of myself that Proud TV has invited not only me but everybody in its grand program. Shinaji, really, when I got the news from Madam, because personally I had no contact with you, so I asked her where is Proud TV and how this program would happen suddenly like that. She told me everything, that really this is a good program, sir, you have to attend. But our students, other schools students, wherever we go, we find that Madam most welcome, because she is always with me, principal of Shiksha Niketan, and I regard Madam a lot. Whenever we attend any such a program which is related to the students, particularly students who are the part of our progress. When I was sitting there, I was looking at the 3 words: progressive, utilization and theory. This particular first word is made for you. You are at that stage. Means you have to progress. And whatever is there with you and whatever you achieve in your life, you have to utilize your achievement. Now you are at the early stage. Whosoever came here, all the students, really it was a fantastic presentation, and I am very much thankful to the Proud TV. The current issues are highlighted here today. Current issues. Earlier, I think 15 years back, 20 years back, when I used to attend the program, the students were there. They spoke on Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Mahatma Gandhi, that great personality, that great person, like that. But I am very happy to see that now we have forgotten everything. Let us develop a culture where we can change this world. Let us find out a platform from where we can give a message to everybody, whosoever is present here, to change the culture, to change the system, to change ourselves. Because what I expect, that in Bhagavad Gita, Lord Krishna has told we must have love and affection, but unattached affection and love is your great treasure of life. Means then you can progress in your life, otherwise no. Utilization means, sir, I am very happy you told that everything is in corporate world. In corporate world. Whatever we are having, we medium class society like that, our children, we have to focus on them because they can change the world. They are our future and they can give a great lesson to everybody. Let us feel. In Sanskrit we know Udmehi Siddhant Karyanam Manorthe Nai Shuktasya Singhasya Pravasant Mukhe Mriga. Where there is will, there is way. My dear students, and particularly the platform where you went there, I think earlier also, now where you are standing, this is my humble request to everybody. Let us come forward and give everyone a platform from where they can share their feelings with the world. And sir, this should happen every year. And I think my hearty cooperation is always with you because the first time I have attended. So, on behalf of our school and all the staff members and the students, I would like to wish you all the best for the future also. And I would like to extend my hearty gratitude to you for this grand program. But these three words I learned hardly. Progressive utilization and theory. Now you are that stage, everybody should utilize your achievement, and that utilization will create a theory for the coming generation. Your achievement is going to create a theory for coming generation. Let us be proud of this new generation, and whenever you will require our cooperation, and I think I request you, you must call us. Understood? I shall be available with you, and this should be highlighted. And as for knowledge, world, system, everything is concerned, I am nowhere because two great authorities are sitting here. They have given a lot of knowledge about life, new things. I am very thankful to you, sir, and Guruji, because I have got some new ideas, learned some new things from you. Thank you everybody. Thank you so much.
मैं प्राउड टीवी की ओर से सर को एक किताब गिफ्ट करना चाह रहा हूँ, प्राउड की। थैंक यू सर। ये जो प्राउड है, ये तीन तरह की फिलॉसफी चल रही है। एक है कैपिटलिज्म इज द सेल्फ सेंटर्ड एंड कम्युनिज्म इज द मैटर सेंटर्ड एंड प्राउड इज द गॉड सेंटर्ड फिलॉसफी। जब कभी भी हम बात करते हैं ना गॉड की,